Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megha and today we are going to be talking about 3 makeup tools that every girl should have if you are a beginner or if you are trying to have a proper makeup collection. So I think these tools are great if you are trying to achieve high-end makeup looks by yourself, and I think this is something that every girl should know. These are very basic makeup tools, and in case you didn't have any idea about this, I'm going to be talking about them. All of the products that I'm going to be talking about are going to be linked down in the description box below. They are super affordable, so you don't need to take tension about if they are overpriced. They're super affordable. They're all drugstore products, so they are going to be very affordable, of good quality, and they're going to be a long time investment. I have personally used these products for more than 6 months. Some products I've used for more than a year, some I've used for more than 6 months. I'm going to be telling them about them in depth in this video. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So the first product that I'm going to be talking about is a beauty blender. Now, if you don't know what a beauty blender is, it is this makeup sponge which is used to blend in your cream product, especially your foundation, concealer. You can even blend your highlighters, bronzers if you use cream bronzers, and other various things as well. This is such an important tool because first before this we used to use those foundation brushes to blend in a foundation, but you can never feel like the foundation has properly blended into your skin. But if you use these sponges, you can definitely see a very big difference. Like brushes used to leave like kind of like a specific direction in which your foundation is going, but using a beauty blender is a must because this will just literally like blend in all the product into your skin, so it does not feel like it's going in a specific direction. It will make your product look like it's blended, it's on your skin, but it's definitely blended. The one that I am currently using is this Blue Heaven makeup sponge. Now you might feel like Blue Heaven, poor quality, poor product. I am telling you this is false. Even Shreya Jain has recommended this beauty blender. This is such a fabulous beauty blender, and I got it just for rupees 120. It is super cheap and of good quality, and I promise you this beauty blender is the best beauty blender if you are looking for a cheap beauty blender and of a good quality. Let me tell you, this is of very good quality. I've been using it for like 6 months from now, and every time I use it I don't feel the need to like blend in more. I just need to blend the foundation, and the foundation of the product that I'm trying to blends in very smoothly. So it is linked in the description box below. Now the next makeup tool that I'm going to be talking about is something which I have been using for almost 3 years now, and I have not been disappointed by this tool. It is of amazing quality with a good price, and I feel this is something which will complete your makeup collection. It is these brushes, this whole set of brushes, and I'm just going to show you the whole set. Now there are 1, 2, 3.
2 hours later.
4 brushes are not missing. They are just lying in my makeup pouch somewhere. I forgot to take them out. So these makeup brushes I got from Amazon for 600 or 700 from a brand called Foolsy. Sorry, the name is all vanished, but I'll link it in the description box below. Now if you look at these brushes, not even a single strand of a brush has gone out of the brush for 3 years. The quality is amazing. When you touch it, they're super soft. When you wash them, they become even more soft, and I have washed them. It's not like the brushes are like coming out. No, nothing of like that has happened. But let me warn you, once I did a mistake with one of the foundation brush that I got with this. I washed that foundation brush and I kept it in the water for overnight, and the next day when I woke up, the strands came out because obviously the glue which is used to hold these strands in the brush got loose. Be careful with that. Never do with not just these brushes, with any of the brushes. You get everything in this whole set. You get a highlighter brush, contouring brush, second highlighter brush, eyeshadow application brushes, you get even a mascara wand, and you get these eyebrow shapers, and you get a lot of eyeliner application tools as well. I just love this makeup tool. I think this is something which has save me up personally a lot of money, because else I would have to buy like a set of 5 or set of 2 for different usages of these brushes. But I've got the whole set in just 600 or 700 rupees, which is a great deal for anybody. Only one thing is missing in this makeup tool is a eyeshadow blending brush, which you definitely need to have, which I'm going to be talking next. So yeah, completing the review of this product, I will link this product in the description box below. Don't forget to check out this makeup product and complete your makeup collection. Now the last product that I'm going to be talking about, which you have already guessed, is this eyeshadow blending brush. Now I was looking for an eyeshadow blending brush for a really long time. What really goes into my mind if I'm buying any beauty product or makeup product, that I should buy a product which goes for a long time, because currently I'm not earning anything and I really want to buy high-end products, but they should be worth my money. So I was looking and I got this in the review sections, and girls were just praising this brush. This is from Pro Arte. I think this is how it is pronounced. If I'm wrong, do correct me in the comment section below. I love this eyeshadow blending brush. It is so soft. The bristles are really soft, plus you don't need to put in a lot of efforts to like blend your eyeshadow. You just need to hold it from here and just work, and it will just smoothly blend out your eyeshadow. And the brush number is PE22, and I especially love this design. I don't know, I just makes it looks really high-end. And this costed me around 800 rupees. I know you might feel for a single brush 800, but this brush for rupees 800 is definitely worth it. This film I think is going to go for me for a really long time, and it is easily washable. It dries out really quickly. So it's like a great deal. So this is a great brush for very high-end eyeshadow look. So with this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked this mini this video about me telling you the makeup tools that you should have in your vanity. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment and share it with your friends. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So today's top.
Now connected to OnePlus 6.
Do forget, and I was really confused. Like what I